Welcome to the Luxury Cars Review. A Tricycle camper home is a compact, pedal-powered or motor-assisted mobile living space attached to a tricycle. These small camper designs are ideal for eco-conscious travelers, urban nomads, and minimalist adventurers. Below are key elements of its exterior design. 1. Frame structure. Lightweight materials, aluminium, fiberglass, or reinforced plastic for durability and weight reduction. Aerodynamic shape, rounded or teardrop style front to reduce wind resistance. 2. Roofing. Weather protection. Insulated panels, to maintain temperature control. Waterproof coating, essential for rain and humidity protection. Solar panels, optional, mounted on the roof to power lights and small appliances. 3. Windows. Ventilation. Sliding or flip-up windows, plexiglass or polycarbonate for lightweight strength. Roof vent or fan, for air circulation. Mosquito netting, prevents bugs while allowing airflow. 4. Entry. Storage. Rear or side door, fold out or roll up for space efficiency. Foldable awning, extends living space for outdoor activities. External storage compartments, lockable boxes for gear and essentials. 5. Aesthetic customization. Color graphics, bright, reflective materials for safety and visibility. LED lighting, energy-efficient lights for visibility at night. Bicycle or pedal assist. Motor integration, electric assist option for long journeys. Would you like a design sketch or specific recommendations for DIY building? Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.